Meaning of foreboding.
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 Foreboding. Foreboding is a feeling of fear or anxiety about something that's going to happen. It can be characterized by a sense of impending doom and often has no rational explanation. A foreboding feeling can be created by anything from an ominous dream to a general sense of unease. The result of foreboding is typically a cautious, apprehensive mindset that affects decision-making and can lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's important to acknowledge and address feelings of foreboding in order to prevent them from negatively impacting mental health and daily life.